Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how you can easily create a spotlight effect within Adobe Photoshop using the new gradient options that they have implemented since the new 2024 update. What they've done is they've really made it a lot more user friendly for us so that we can really manipulate and change the gradients that we're using. And what I would like for you to do today is to take the steps that I show you and implement them into your workflow and your designs. And I guarantee the professionalism and look of your pieces of work will become very clean and very modern and a lot more professional. As you can see here, what I've done is started off with this image of a wall. And the first thing I'm going to do now is add a adjustment layer. So make sure you got your layers window open. If you can't find your layers window, it's always situated in window, layers, and this is your little icon here for adjustment layers. And the one that I'll be using will be color lookup. Now we have a range to choose from, but the one I'll be using for this particular tutorial will be the moonlight adjustment layer, like so. Perfect. Now the benefit of using adjustment layers is they add a layer mask to them. And the benefit of using layer masking is we can use two colors, the color white and the color black. The color white makes things visible and the color black makes things non-visible. This is our gradient tool here. Keyboard shortcut is just the letter G. And what you should be making sure you use is the radial gradient. So with that layer highlighted, well, I'm going to be using a black to white gradient. If I now start to click and drag like so, you can see there, I'm creating a cool looking spotlight effect. The benefit of these new options is we're able to change the angle and manipulate the angle of the gradient. We're able to move it to different points. We're able to increase the radius. You can increase the size or decrease the size like so. And at the same time, if you come to your properties window here and make sure that you have the layer mask options ticked, you may even want to apply a little feather just to soften it a tad, like so. And as easy as that, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.